What you'll gain from this workout: fat burning and slimming, leg toning and strength, improved cardiovascular health. Now let's get into it. Up next, a jog followed by a walk.
Now that you're out of my life, I'm so much better. Not that I'll be weak without you, but I'm stronger. Not that I'll be broke without you, but I'm richer. Not that I'll be sad without you, I love harder. Thought I wouldn't grow without you, now I'm wiser. Not that I'll be helpless without you, but I'm smarter. Not that I'll be stressed without you, but I'm chilling. Thought I wouldn't sell without you, sold 9 million. I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it. I will survive and keep on surviving. I'm a survivor. I'm inhaling. You thought I couldn't see without your perfect vision. You thought I couldn't last without you, but I'm lasting. You thought that I would die without you, but I'm living. Thought that I would fail without you, but I'm on top. Thought it would be over by now, but it won't stop. Thought that I would self-destruct, but I'm still here. Even in my years to come, I'm still gonna be here. I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. I'm a survivor. Keep on surviving. I'm a survivor. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe.
To you.
If you enjoyed this workout, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more workouts like this. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Let's crush your fitness goals together. See you in the next video.